Exercise 6.3, question number 13. In this question, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, and we have to prove that CA square equal to CB into CD. So, given D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, and we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So let's see the proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC, in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, we have angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This is given. And angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Angle C is in both the triangles, in triangle ABC and also in triangle DAC. So angle C equal to angle C, common angle. In triangle BAC and triangle DAC, two angles are equal. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC and angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle DAC are similar by angle similarity. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by angle similarity. Therefore, sides of two similar triangles will be proportional. So CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. Sides proportional. Sides proportional means sides of two similar triangles are proportional. CA into CA equal to CB into CD. CA into CA, CA square equal to CB into CD. Hence proved. If you find any difficulty in writing this sides proportional in triangle ABC and triangle DAC in this figure, then you can draw two figures separately like this. Rough figure to understand the correspondence in writing this ratio of sides. This triangle is ABC and this triangle is DAC. This angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. It is given, and this angle C is equal to angle C common, angle C is there in both the triangles in this original figure. Now we have drawn these two triangles ABC and DAC in the right correspondence. Vertex A corresponds to D, B corresponds to A, and C corresponds to C. So this CA by CD equal to CB by CA. This CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. This is, we have written here, sides proportional. So if you find any difficulty in writing this corresponding sides proportional in two similar triangles, you can draw their rough figure in the straight correspondence. So A corresponds to D, B corresponds to A, C corresponds to C, like this, and then easily corresponding sides you can put them in the right proportion like this.